Emotions are a fundamental aspect of human experience, and they play a crucial role in shaping our behavior and decision-making. Understanding the biological basis of emotions can help us better understand why we feel the way we do and how to regulate our emotional responses. The neural basis of emotions is complex and involves multiple regions of the brain. The limbic system, which includes the amygdala, hippocampus, and cingulate cortex, is particularly important in the processing of emotional information. The amygdala, in particular, is thought to play a key role in the processing of fear and other negative emotions. It receives input from sensory systems, such as the visual and auditory systems, and is responsible for initiating the fight or flight response in response to perceived threats. The hippocampus is also an important player in the emotional processing system. It is involved in the formation and consolidation of memories, and it is thought to play a role in the regulation of emotions by helping to contextualize the emotional experience and to differentiate it from similar experiences. The cingulate cortex, which is located in the front of the brain, is thought to play a role in the regulation of emotions, particularly in the regulation of negative emotions such as anxiety and depression. It is also involved in the processing of social cues, such as facial expressions and body language, and is thought to be important in the regulation of social behavior. The prefrontal cortex, located in the front of the brain, is responsible for the regulation of emotions and is thought to play a role in the inhibition of impulsive behavior. It is also involved in the regulation of attention, planning, and decision-making, and is thought to play a role in the regulation of emotions by helping to modulate the activity of the limbic system. The hypothalamus and the pituitary gland, which are located in the brainstem, play a key role in the regulation of the stress response by releasing hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are thought to be involved in the regulation of emotional arousal, and are thought to play a role in the regulation of anxiety and depression. In addition to these brain regions, the autonomic nervous system, which controls the body's physiological responses to stress, is also thought to play a role in the regulation of emotions. The sympathetic nervous system, which is activated during the fight or flight response, is thought to be involved in the regulation of negative emotions such as fear and anxiety. The parasympathetic nervous system, which is activated during the rest and digest response, is thought to be involved in the regulation of positive emotions such as relaxation and contentment. Overall, the biological basis of emotions is complex and involves the interaction of multiple regions of the brain, as well as the autonomic nervous system. Understanding the neural and physiological mechanisms that underlie emotions can help us better understand why we feel the way we do and can inform the development of interventions for emotional disorders. It's also important to note that emotions are not just a product of biology, but also shaped by culture, personal experiences, and social context. These experiences and context can shape the way in which emotions are expressed and perceived and can influence the development of emotional regulation strategies. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.